Hey John, this is Cisco from Amplified. I spoke with Madeline on Friday morning and I promised I would send you a free video going over your website, doing a website audit. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So looking right away at your website, John, great looking website, by the way. I really like this, great design. Some of the things that I look for is keywords and content. You want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords. And basically, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So, this is good right here: air conditioning and heating repair installation in Brevard County. So, Brevard County is pretty broad, right? It's one of the things that I would strongly recommend is being targeting specific areas, but I'll jump into that here in a bit. Going through and scrolling through your content, you want to have at least 1,500 words or 2,000 words, like I mentioned, which you have quite a bit, which is good. Some of the things that I also look for is specific keywords. Okay, and the reason why is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want to be found for on Google. So I'm going to jump over here to this tool here. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps me understand how well your website is performing. Helps you understand what your scores are, how powerful your website is. So I'm going to jump right to it. So this is the section here, this section here. This is the strength or authority, and you're currently being indexed at 24. And this section here, or this area here, is the trust, the trustworthy, and you're currently being indexed at 2.8 for your flow. Now, some of the things that contribute to these scores is your backlinks. And currently right now you have 744 backlinks with 336 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, okay? Whether it's clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these specific backlinks, they act like an endorsement for your website, and it helps build trust with Google. However, not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, so it's worth noting that you want to get strong backlinks linking back to you, meaning that these guys have high power and trust flow. And you want to have like a golden ratio, meaning anywhere that they're both close, they both have strong numbers, but being very close to each other. Okay. Now, if let's just say you were to get a backlink from, let's say, a pizzeria linking back to you, it could actually hinder your scores because you're not in the food industry. Last thing I want to go over is what keywords you're currently being ranked for. Now, one of the things that I want to make sure that I talk about, John, is you want to be ranking for buyer intent keywords, specifically in specific areas. For example, let's just take HVAC Melbourne, Florida. This is good because you are in the HVAC industry and you're specifically in Melbourne. So these are buyer intent keywords because any potential client that's going to be searching for this on Google, okay, they're going to be wanting to buy service. They're not just browsing around, they're needing help. Okay, but let's just take this keyword. The reason why I'm going to take this keyword here, John, is because the volume, what this means is that 250 people, approximately 250 people, are searching for this on Google every single month. Okay, so we're just going to take this keyword, but before I put this into Google, let's see how well your competitors are doing. Del Air. So Melbourne AC repairs. You see this? This is a keyword. And same thing how I do with your website. I'm looking at, do they have 1,500 words of content, and do they have keywords that they're wanting to rank for? So this page here, they have an okay amount, but look, they are wanting to be ranked for this specific keyword. Now let's look at their same thing going to Ahrefs. Let's look at how well they're performing. Let's just take the same keyword that I want to focus on, and look, they have a lot of specific buyer intent keywords, but let's just take this one since the volume's the highest at 250, and they're being ranked for it, and their position currently is number 5. Okay, now let's just take this same keyword and put it into Google. Okay, let's see what pops up. So first things first, we'll take it section by section. This is the Google guarantee section. Okay, these are Google ads. Basically, any company that is paying, they're paying to be on here, and every time I click on here or call them, they will get charged. Same thing here. This section here is the same thing, Google Ads section. And then this guy, which is my favorite, is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite, John, is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Okay, and some of the ways to increase your ranking is get more reviews, respond to those reviews, optimize your content, and then if you have optimized photos, update those on a weekly, monthly basis. Last thing I want to go over, John, is the organic listings. Currently, right now, Angie's List is citation site. Yelp, they got number 1 and number 2, and then we got one of your competitors, Del Air. They got the number 3 spot, which is who we were auditing. Okay, so they currently got number 3. Anyhow, John, these are just some of the tips and tricks that I would like to share with you. If you have more questions or would like to know more on how your website can be ranking for more buyer intent keywords and outbeat your competition and get more visibility on Google, please feel free to email me back. If I can please get your feedback, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the video. That would be great. Give me a call or just respond back to the email and we can communicate that way. Thank you again, John, for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.